got there?
Oh no.
Not quite sure what to make of that.
It's like
Popcorn for 90-year-olds. We'll give Auntie.
Wow, look how fine that is, though.
see, it is fluffy though.
Do you want some?
What do you think?
That's weird. The consistency's so weird. Just try that. Because it melts in your mouth.
You know, it's like rice
Popcorn
cake.
in the blender.
Have
It's
some.
rice cake. That's what it is.
Mmm. Styrofoam!